Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I bring for you beautiful room decoration. So if you like this video, comment me down so that I can bring for you beautiful videos. So let's start the video. So you can see this first picture. You can see it is a small mini room, beautiful, very mini room. This one you can see a bathroom, but it is looking too much dirty. I don't know, it is very dirty. I don't like this bathroom, but the decoration and design, the style is very beautiful. But it is maybe not dirty because looking in the style. It's also very beautiful. You can see the upwards, the sides you can keep your decoration things. The front you can see mirror. At the down floor you can see the design, black, white, zigzag. This one also very beautiful. You can see the stair down, lights and all, and the stairs going up. It is like invisible in air. It is looking very beautiful, very good. You can see the this one also. You can see it is under of the water. Beautiful, looking very beautiful. And this one also very beautiful. You can see the down lights, you can see beautiful lights and all, and the down lights and the roof lights. You can see dot whites, and you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the mirror, you can see the fan, you can see the floor, you can see wooden theme, looking very beautiful, very attractive, and silver black color. So chairs are there, beautiful chairs and all, good chairs. And this one also you can see very beautiful. You can see the floor, very beautiful floor with wood, and the table you can see with black color, and the wall picture you can see both black color, and the it's also very beautiful. You can see the down floor, roof floor. You can see the mats, same like mats, the beautiful decoration and all, good decoration. This one also very beautiful. You can see the floor, very beautiful, wooden theme. The up you can see mirror and window and all, beautiful. This one also you can see it's the beautiful picture ever. I like. You can see it is a big mall maybe, but the floor you can see floor decoration, beautiful decoration, good decoration. So also you can see a floor, you can see the lamps and all. It is like a new technology from lights going out. It's very beautiful decoration. It's also very beautiful. You can see the kitchen and all, good decoration. You can see the silver color cupboards and all, and the white color wall roof. It's also very beautiful. You can see wood with a wooden theme down and up, also white color theme, and the lights. You can see the door, you can see white color doors and all, looking very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the black color door, and you can see sofas there, very beautiful. It is like a office, beautiful office, also house also very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. It is the inside the bathroom, beautiful decoration, floor decoration, very good decoration. And this one also very beautiful. You can see the roof, you can see wooden roof, floor you can see wooden floor. The sides, it is the out of the house. And this one also very beautiful. You can see the grass down, everything very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't comment me down so I can bring for you beautiful videos for entertaining you. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.